Ready?
What I ding isi kante bra.
Takajam kam banid long nong klap. Kam kam but dia kata ru ngaru ngan mong dia kam day.
And particularly the gift that which is made by the FPO from Nyota BDO Mairang we have from the farmers.
Song from Kisur Mauban farming. So kindly come forward.
La baso kisim kiwayaro sim kahaknan banso gijingsho
As the development financial institution of the nation, we are our presence spread across the country at the district levels, including East and West, Hill districts, and our medium is present here. We are piloting many developmental programs across the country, and including later here. Our first pilot project, in the sense that we have initiated Vikas Volunteer Bahini in 1982. That is after that called Farmers Club. Then we changed the Farmers Club. Most of the Farmers Club members we have graduated to the APOs. And in 1982 we are introducing as per the experience in Bangladesh Grameen Bank, we introduced self-help groups in the country, India. And after that, the central government, the government of India adopted SCSY, and now it's becoming NRLM. Now NRLM self-help groups are implemented in the state. And we are formulating Kisan credit cards for the farmers for easy access of credit loan by the farmers. And now we are in the process of EKCC. EKCC means through your mobile or through your laptop or through internet, you can apply online Kisan credit cards instead of visiting the bank branches.
But hakane kapor nakwa ban tu ye kipat ba. Ba pension ye ka ne ka kabu pension ye ka ne ka la ban kham tip shu na kini ki na trai kam ki ba pair ki baya don kata ka mensieng kata ka thom ka ban ya trai ban Kyntiew ye ka yo ka kot jong ki pat ba jong ka ni ka than jong ka ni ka district juni Kanang ba pinyo ya kata pinya yo la pa chi ni kata ki jing man toy ban Kyntiew ya kanu ka kam ka ba pi kmu kam tam ha ka kam rat bat ka kam ban pi penni e ki mar ki mata ki ba dei na kane ka than ka jela la jong ni wa ting tiet mata ka sni kin don ham ni ya mel jing mod Shim ye kita ki jing te klang ba pede bi yo ban Kyntiew ya kata ka jing trai ya ka yo ka kot jong pi